Why is my converted attic difficult to heat and cool? A converted attic is often uncomfortable because it has weak insulation, air leaks, limited airflow, and a heating and cooling system that was not designed for the space. Heat rises, so an attic naturally receives more heat from the rooms below and from the roof above. In summer, sunlight can make the roof extremely hot, and that heat moves through the ceiling unless the insulation is thick, continuous, and installed correctly. In winter, warm indoor air can escape through tiny gaps around light fixtures, wiring, vents, and wall connections, making the room cold and increasing energy use. Many converted attics also have sloped ceilings, knee walls, and small hidden spaces where insulation is missing or compressed. A normal air duct may not deliver enough conditioned air to the attic, especially if the duct is long, undersized, poorly sealed, or located in a hot roof space. One lesser-known problem is that air sealing matters before adding insulation, because insulation slows heat movement but does not stop moving air. Another important detail is moisture. Warm indoor air entering a cold roof cavity can cause condensation, mold, or wood damage. Have a qualified professional check the insulation depth, air leaks, ductwork, ventilation, windows, and whether the heating and cooling equipment can handle the added room. A practical first step is to use an energy audit or infrared inspection to find hidden hot and cold spots before paying for major work. One common mistake is adding more insulation without sealing leaks first, so seal gaps around penetrations before insulating. Another misconception is that a larger air conditioner will fix the problem, but oversized equipment may cool the room quickly without removing enough humidity, so have the load calculated properly. People also often close vents in other rooms to force more air upstairs, but this can damage airflow and increase pressure, so improve the attic ductwork or add a properly sized separate zone instead. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.